are back at the Cameron Education and Innovation Center. And the last time we were here, the walls weren't even up. What month was that?
I think that it was April or something. A lot of things have changed. I think we should go check out the progress and maybe find someone to help us know what we're looking at.
Let's do it.
Okay. Definitely a lot of things have changed. It's all framed in, and I'm excited to see the progress. I think we should go find someone to kind of give us a tour and let us know what's going on.
Yeah, for sure. I think I see some guys over there. Let's check it out. Can we steal you for a sec?
Yes, you can.
My name is Melody, and this is Haley. We're from Cameron's marketing team, and we were hoping that you could give us a tour of the Education and Innovation Center. Can you show us around a little bit?
Yes, I sure could.
Awesome.
Okay, we are on the second floor of Cameron's Education and Innovation Center, and we were able to find a team member from JICI. Can you tell us your name and your title?
Yes, hi, my name is Nate Smoker. I'm project manager with JICI.
Awesome. And so what does a project manager do? What does that entail?
Oh, what does a project manager do? Really, from a high level, a project manager monitors and maintains your schedule and your finances, all administrative needs. So basically, through the entire phases of the project. And furthermore, on top of that, we try to maintain that relationship to our client in any way possible.
So if you're from Angola or a neighboring town, you might have driven by the hospital and wondered what the status of the Education and Innovation Center is. We broke ground last fall, and can you catch us up to where we're at now?
Sure, let's go.
We have moved further into the second floor. And Nate, let's get this tour started. Could you show us around?
Yes, I could. Okay, here we go. So on this second floor, we have, starting off, 4 simulation labs. So 4 simulation labs, one here, one here. Between these 4 simulation labs, we have 2 control rooms. The purpose of those control rooms is obviously to observe any activities going on with students, faculty, community members, whoever it may be, learning whatever they need to learn in these simulation labs. As we come into this simulation lab here, it'll be set up as a typical hospital operating type environment. You'll have one hospital bed here with all of your arrangement of medical gas, electrical devices on the wall here. And that is one of our 4 sim labs here in the Education Center. So as we leave the sim lab here, do you ladies have any questions as we're heading over to the skills lab?
Yeah, actually. What is the difference between the yellow and the green walls?
The yellow and the green walls. Okay, so this is actually spray foam that you see here. And really the difference is it depends on the day. As far as what material that spray foam insulation guy has on his truck, that's what you see here.
No difference.
No difference. Any other questions?
I'm seeing all of these green marks throughout. What are those for?
Green marks. Yes, the green spray paint on the studs and on the drywall and the steel structure. So what that is, and you'll see different colors of spray paint throughout the building. What that is our great superintendent, Bob Brady. He's very detailed in how he lays a building out. So what he's doing is basically communicating all of his needs to the crews, to all the trades. So the green marks looks like they depict we need drywall top hung up high on these walls for the mechanicals, right? We want to get the drywall in before we start putting large ductwork in there. Otherwise, those guys won't be able to have access to get through those wall penetrations.
How many loads of drywall would you say?
How many loads of drywall? How many loads of drywall? How many sheets of drywall? Maybe that's a better question. How many sheets of drywall? I'd be guessing. Melody, how many sheets of drywall do you think?
At least 100.
At least 100, yes. Definitely higher. Maybe 100 sheets could do half of this floor. Maybe the whole floor. I couldn't tell you how much drywall for the whole building, but any other questions that I might be able to answer?
Is this the skills lab?
Skills lab, yeah. Let's make our way into the skills lab. Okay, as we come in here to the skills lab, this will be a space that houses 10 beds. And I will turn this over to the Cameron team so they can tell you how they're going to use this.
Yeah, so through Cameron's partnership with Trine University's ASN program, we will be utilizing this room and obviously this entire floor for those nursing students to enhance their skills, to learn their skills. But it's also going to be available for our community, our first responders, some of our clinical staff. If they need to brush up their skills, CPR training, all of those fun things can all happen right here. Nate, you showed us around the second floor. Let's head on down to the first.
Okay. Okay, here we are on the Education and Innovation Center. Behind us, you see here, we have a large amount of shell space. In this building, there's going to be about 10,500 square feet of shell space for future growth and development. With that, there's going to be about 5,000 square feet of that shell space developed. And then with that, there's also going to be on the ground floor here about 2,000 square feet of an auditorium for the Cameron team and the community to host any sort of events needed.
So Nate, how many square feet is this entire building?
This build is actually 32,000 square feet.
Wow. And we do have some random questions for you.
Okay.
How many truckloads of concrete would you say it took?
That's an interesting question. How about you ladies? Do you have any guesses?
I'm thinking at least 10 truckloads.
10 truckloads, 10 truckloads for the whole building, huh? Yeah. Yeah, that might be close. Maybe in a day, right? But we'll chalk that question up for later. Any other questions?
I mean, I feel like I've learned a lot today, and clearly I know my stuff. So, is JICI hiring?
Well, yes, we are. We are always hiring. Good people only.
Do I get the job?
We'll see. We'll see. We got to test the skills first.
Well, thank you so much for having us out here, JICI team, and Nate for showing us around the Cameron Education and Innovation Center. It was so much fun to see the walls come up, and we look forward to more updates in the future.